Hey, let's go!
The following champion vs. champion contest is an Extreme Rules match and is for the Undisputed WWE Universal Championship.
The Enforcer, Sikoa. A man of very few words, Solo prefers to let his fists do all the talking.
You talk about intimidation factor. Solo has this entire arena feeling uneasy right now.
One thing is for certain with Solo in the ring, we're about to see a beatdown. Ladies and gentlemen, the Tribal Chief is here.
And we may have no other option but to acknowledge him.
WrestleMania, acknowledge him. Plenty of WrestleMania history for the Tribal Chief, defeating legends like Triple H and The Undertaker.
But since taking his spot at the head of the table, he has successfully defended the same championship at 3 consecutive WrestleManias, defeating the likes of Brock Lesnar and Cody Rhodes. You want to talk about a scary man to be standing across the ring from? This superstar is going to be face-to-face with Solo Sikoa.
Introducing the challenger from Las Vegas, Nevada, weighing in at 250 pounds, Solo Sikoa! And his opponent from Pensacola, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, he is the undisputed WWE Universal Champion,
I have a feeling we're about to see a classic, gentlemen.
You can see the desire in these competitors' eyes, reflected right back at them in the shine of that championship's gold. It doesn't get any bigger than this, and these superstars know it.
That they do, Byron. The richest prize in our sport today, the undisputed WWE Universal Championship, is up for grabs here tonight. Bad predicament right here.
Those toss. She got airline miles for that. It might not be flashy, but sometimes you just got to toss another person and make a statement.
Wow! A powerbomb like that will leave you with bruises and remind you of this moment for days.
Drops the leg.
You know what I love about an Extreme Rules match? It's a chance to think outside the box and inflict some truly inventive pain on your opponent.
It's also a chance to be on the receiving end of that inventive pain. But you're right, Corey. Getting creative could be the best way to get ahead in this match.
Big leg drop.
Just carrying the opposition anywhere they want.
Sent crashing down on the hardest part of the ring. And after that impact, it is going to be hard for the champ to recover. And come on, no, don't bring the trash can out. That's for
Nap time on the island of relevancy.
He's flailing, desperately trying to get out of this. Simple waist lock.
Countered into an arm drag. Big forearm.
Sikoa keeping his opponent at bay.
Shoulder tackle after shoulder tackle. That didn't go as Solo pictured.
Superman punch! Reigns once again proving just how dominant he can be.
It all comes natural to him.
He is certainly sending a message, getting his shoulder up before two.
Clothesline in the corner.
Oh no, trapping the arm. A vicious stomps to the hand.
You want to control the tempo, you want to dictate the pace. That right there is how you do it.
Expected that one. disrupts the attack with an elbow straight to the mouth.
Textbook jumping clothesline.
Oof.
Schoolboy takedown.
Oh no, wait a minute.
What power from the Tribal Chief.
When the champ wants to prove a point, nothing does it like a powerbomb. He's determined to keep this matchup going. He's able to fend off the attack.
Kick to the gut.
And down with the suplex.
And Sikoa on the receiving end again.
Sikoa needs to better assess the situation to turn this around.
Down in a hurry.
What a headbutt. Oh, right to the kidneys.
Golly. Oh man, what a leg drop.
What's he open to find down there?
An old standby for the deranged and sadistic. The barbed wire back.
Sikoa prevents that from connecting.
And he gets set back into the ring.
Dismantling the arm in the corner.
Gotta hurt. Seems like the champ might have a pretty clear strategy in mind here, going after the arm.
Oh, a headbutt right to the shoulder.
That's using your noggin.
Going after the arm here. Trying to take away that grip, that range of motion on that end.
So offense landing on the champ.
You ask for extreme, you get extreme. Though this looks like a little more than was bargained for.
Oh, rattling the skull with a hit from that trash can.
Oh my goodness. Ah, what a smash.
That is just insulting.
What a reversal by Reigns.
Bam! Reigns! Can it be? Will the reign continue? Cover! 2!
He kicks out somehow.
This puts the pressure back on the champion.
Can the champion respond with their back against the wall?
Roman has been enough. Roman Reigns doing what he does best. Just stomping the hell out of his opponent.
I don't think his opponent's safe here. Kill the headlights.
Drive by. Looking for something, anything under the ring.
If you're looking to cause quick, sharp damage, you can't go wrong with the kendo stick.
And this deep in, you gotta start wondering how much more is there to give in this match.
What an incredible display of human resilience we've seen here.
Oh, man, leg drop arm breaker. Oh, look at this. What a headbutt. The champ's shoulders are down. He breaks the ref's count before 2.
All the punishment he's taken, and yet he's still in this match?
Oh, wicked kick to the lower back. Oh my goodness, dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
Reigns hits it! I think the champ's got it.
Cover. There's 2.
He did it! Roman Reigns holds on to the title.
Here is your winner, and still the undisputed WWE Universal Champion,
There he is, the champion standing tall after this defense.
This was a great title defense from the champion.
Yeah, hats off to the champion. They could not be kept down in this one.